Tender, right? Yeah. So you would take that little door off and slide it over
And they look pretty dusty in there right now, so we probably should change them soon.
Yeah.
At least from...
Usually I recommend that everything gets changed the first month because it's just construction.
Yeah, there's...
Debris gets in, the ducts and everything, kind of.
Do you have to turn anything off? Like, what are these?
There's a disconnect right up there. See that little switch up there?
Oh,
That's
okay.
your disconnect. That's all he's got to touch.
So he turns
Turn
that
it
off?
And I explained to him, you take the covers off the side, and you slide the filters right out.
Okay. And that's it. This other thing
That is
over
a
here?
duct heater. That's an electric duct heater.
Oh, okay.
That should not be messed with at all. It's
Okay.
preset.
Okay. All right.
A 110 BSQ exhaust. So it's just a motor and two cages. You really wouldn't have to do any maintenance to that. You set up like a balancer, except maybe vacuum out after a couple of years. Make sure the wheels aren't turning. But there's no filter to worry about. It's off, you know, that way.
So this is the first big filter we need to worry about, this one here?
Yes, and you have other units down at Hooters, 5 of these. So you got 3 in here. Yeah, 2. Same thing. This will be your heating and cooling. Stands on the wall for each one. This one is a little strange the way they designed it. They put the stand in here for that unit, but it mainly feeds this side.
Okay.
That thermostat.
¿Tú sabes cómo sacar eso?
Te digo que tiene que tapar por este lado, para la puerta, apagar el switch. Tiene un switch arriba, ¿ves?
Yeah.
Vamos a tener que ponerle algún tap o algo así para que lo vean fácil.
Yeah. And this one.
Filters are at retail.
We have
Okay, this one switches right there. There isn't anything in the bathrooms, right?
I'm sorry?
There isn't anything in the bathrooms? No. They're sealed. So where does the heat for the bathroom come from? From these or from something out there? Huh? What was that?
The heat's coming from the ceiling diffusers
Okay,
in both the women's and the men's.
okay. So no filter or anything like that in here,
Not
just
in the
just
bathroom.
cleaning the vents if they need to be cleaned.